The study of history distinguishes itself from other disciplines by its widespread subject matter, ranging from politics to warfare, from economics to morals.
History as a category of human learning is one of the oldest subjects taught in school. It is foundational to virtually every other discipline in the arts, humanities, and social sciences. By studying history, we can learn lessons from the past and use them to solve contemporary problems. History also serves as a critical tool to understand human behavior.
Studying history in university is not like secondary school, as our focus is not to memorize facts. What we are learning is how to understand ourselves as human beings and how we became who we are now. In some classes, we may have debates or reenact situations from the past like a drama. We also talk about past issues that are still unresolved today. So, studying history is really something active. We think, discuss, and discover how we live our lives as part of the human story.
Our program offers a wide range of courses in the areas of comparative civilizations, Hong Kong and Chinese history, Asian history, Western history, and cross-disciplinary historical approaches. Students who graduate from Lingnan's history department are well trained in analyzing facts, organizing their ideas, conducting independent research, and solving problems.